Let's talk about 5 of the laziest ways that you could be making money all from just using your phone. Now, when it comes to making money on your phone, a lot of people might be thinking about ways like taking surveys. And chances are a lot of you would agree with me, 20 minutes of your time is not worth just 1 cent. And I have talked about Google Opinion rewards in a few of my other videos because you can be making money from it. However, it's not going to be a lot. And then you also have to wait for these surveys to come in. So it's like a side hustle, if you will. But you might be thinking, well, taking a survey would be a lazy way to be making money. That is correct. However, I have made a list of criteria that all of these jobs are going to fit into that you can also do on your phone, and they can be considered lazy. The first piece of criteria that I have for these ways to be making money online would be that all of these jobs have the ability to become a passive income, meaning you can sit down, work on this project, get it all done, and then over time, sit back and relax and watch the money come in. Next, I want to make sure that all of these ways to make money can be done from just your phone. Of course, you could be doing some of these things from your computer as well, but it can be very convenient if you're nowhere near a computer or you don't own a laptop or a computer. It can be just super helpful to have everything you need just all in this little device. And lastly, I want to make sure that all of these strategies have the ability to make a lot of money. And I'm not talking about just a few cents here and there from taking a few surveys. And with all of these methods, they have the potential to become a full-time income, meaning this could be your job. Okay, enough chit-chatting. Let's just get straight into these ways to be making money, maybe even a full-time income from your phone. And I'm gonna start off with a bang right off the bat with my favorite way to be making money online, and that is through YouTube. But more specifically, I wanna talk about being an incognito YouTuber, meaning you don't have to reveal your identity at all. Also, I wanna say to stay tuned to the end of this video because I have some very helpful tips if you want to create your own YouTube channel. But the first step into making your incognito faceless YouTube channel is sitting down and thinking about what you're interested in. Maybe think about what you personally watch on YouTube or things that you have as hobbies or skills that you can share with the world. So let's say you're interested in reading books or writing books. Then I want you to hop on over to YouTube and look up these topics. Next, you're gonna wanna pay attention to how many views these videos are getting under this specific topic. Because the key here is you want to find a topic that is consistently getting maybe over 100,000 views, because that means a lot of people are interested in these videos. Then you're going to head on over to a website called tubemagic.com. Now there isn't an app at this point of time when I'm making this video for this software, however you can just search it up on the web browser on your phone. And over on TubeMagic, you can play around with all of these different tools and it can help you create video ideas. For example, if you want to make a channel like Mr. Beast's channel, you could put Mr. Beast's channel into TubeMagic and they could generate video ideas that are sort of like Mr. Beast's video style. And TubeMagic is just a bunch of different AI tools that will help you create different video ideas and even generate scripts for you. Now, when you make your YouTube channel, you could make it like I am sitting down and talking to a camera, or you can go, like I was saying earlier, the faceless incognito route. But if your content is going to be primarily stock photos and videos, then you could use the InVideo AI app and they can help you create these different stock photos and videos. And this is so cool because they can match what you're talking about to different photos and different videos. However, you could also do this step a more hands-on approach and find these clips and videos yourself and edit them all together. And when it comes to editing, PowerDirector has a mobile app that is free, and then there is also CapCut, which is one of my favorites. And then once you've utilized TubeMagic to come up with this video idea and the script for your video, you've either sat down and recorded it or edited together different photos and videos. However you came up with your content, the next step is going to be creating your thumbnail. An app that can help you create different thumbnails would be an app called Canva, and they also have a website. And then there is also PixArt, which is one that I've been using since middle school. It is a very simplistic and free editing software. Okay, so let's say we have our first video created. Ta-da, we did it. I'm so proud of you. But now we're gonna head on over to the YouTube Creator Studio and we're going to upload that video. But don't hit upload yet. Don't do it. We're gonna upload it as unlisted, not public, unlisted. And this is going to be very important because we want to get the unlisted link for this video. And what are we gonna do with this unlisted link? We're gonna snatch it and we're gonna carry it on over back to, you guessed it, TubeMagic. And then once we are in the TubeMagic software, we're going to go to the Upload Warp section. And this is where you can drag and drop that link. Copy, paste, put the link there. And once you upload this link to TubeMagic, you will get automatically a bunch of different tags and descriptions that you can use in your videos. Make sure to go through and double check if any of the words are irrelevant. Make sure to delete those, but keep everything that relates to your video. And then you're gonna upload videos at least around 3 times a week, or maybe twice a week or once a week. Because then if you're posting 3 times a week over a year, you would have accumulated 144 videos. But I know a lot of you might be thinking that does not sound very lazy to me. That sounds like a lot of work. But some of you may know my brother has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt, and he also runs over a dozen different faceless YouTube channels on top of his Make Money Matt channel. And he shared with me that he has channels with less videos than 144, and he is making full-time incomes with those channels. But now we need to ask ourselves a question. How do we exactly do that? Well, the magical word here, or I guess phrase, would be choosing an evergreen niche. Because within an evergreen niche, this form of content and the specific topic that you've chosen will have a longer shelf life, meaning people will keep watching these videos over time because they never go out of style. And the way in which you make money with YouTube is going to be through ad revenue. And within different niches, you can be making more money per 1,000 views, which is a little bit of a hack that not everybody knows. So let's say you're getting around 100,000 views a month. And if you have a $10 RPM, that means you're making $10 per 1,000 views. And just like that, if you're getting that 100,000 views a month, then you're making $10,000 just 1 month. And this is gonna be just making money from your ad revenue. Again, you could be adding different sources of revenue on top of the ad revenue, such as promoting different affiliate products or starting a course. And that's what's so great about YouTube is you can combine a bunch of different business ideas and models and to use your YouTube channel to promote these different ideas, such as affiliate products. Okay, enough YouTube talk. Let's move on to the next way to be making money online, and that is through an Instagram theme page. And this is sort of similar to a YouTube channel, but in a different form of content. So just like YouTube, you would be choosing a specific niche to revolve your theme page around. For example, it could be health or wellness or finance. For example, if you wanted to head over to my brother's Instagram account called Make Money Matt, over there he posts a bunch of different quotes and motivation that will also gain traction to his YouTube channel. But with some of these pictures that he posts, he doesn't even show his face. So with an Instagram theme page, you could totally not show your face at all. And if you find yourself a little stuck on not knowing what to post, you could also look up, let's say you're starting a beauty Instagram theme page. Well, you could simply go to Instagram and search up different beauty accounts and see what they're all posting. And you might be thinking, well, in order to create a beauty account, wouldn't I have to show my face if I'm doing like makeup and skincare? And to be honest, that is not the case at all, because I follow a bunch of different Instagram accounts that just post pictures of the skincare products that they're using. And they don't even necessarily prove that these products work. They just post an aesthetic photo of these products. But it's also kind of genius because when they do this, posting different products, they can create affiliate links for these products that they're promoting and then make more money this way. To get more traction to your Instagram theme page, it would be smart to be posting around, let's say, 3 times a day, but also make sure to be posting on your stories and your reels and just on your main feed. And then again, you could be combining your YouTube channel with an Instagram theme page and then combining it with affiliate marketing. Or if you want to get a little bit crazier, you could head on over to Shoutcart and buy different shoutouts for your account. And then over time, inevitably, people will start reaching out to your account asking for shoutouts of their own products. For example, maybe a skincare line wants to get their name out into the world and you have a beauty account. So you can kind of see these similarities with YouTube and an Instagram theme page. So we're gonna move on to the next way to make money, which is by reposting short form content. And again, the first step is always going to be choosing your niche. What are you interested in? Are you interested in books or makeup, or personal finance, or well-being. Whatever it may be that you're interested in, I want you to create an account on various different social media platforms. Now, one could be Instagram, and then a TikTok account. And then you could also make a YouTube Shorts channel. Now, just like creating your Instagram theme page, you're going to head on over to Instagram and search up your niche. You want to look for posts that have over 10,000 likes because that shows there is a good engagement rate within this niche. But within these posts, you also want to find an account that has maybe less than 100,000 followers. And this is just simply because they're going to be more likely to respond to this question we're about to pose. And what is this question? Well, we are going to ask if we can repost their content, but when we're reposting this content, we're going to give them credit. Because in a way, this can help their account, but it can also help your account. So it's kind of a win-win situation. You're promoting somebody else's account, but you're also growing your own account by using other people's content, but with permission. Always with permission. And you might have to message a bunch of different accounts before you get your first yes. And to be honest, I see a lot of these types of accounts on like TikTok where I just see a video and then I see video credits on the bottom and then they tagged the original creator of the video. You could also take their content and edit it differently using maybe the PowerDirector app or the CapCut app. But you might be wondering, how do I essentially make money by just posting other people's content on various platforms? You're going to essentially build up your accounts on different platforms, and over time, people will start reaching out to you in your DMs. And this is because other people are going to want to pay you to repost their content because you have a hip and up-and-coming page. Whoop, whoop, that sounded like such a mom. You have such a hip and up-and-coming Instagram page. Ooh, like, get it. And then on top of this, you can start promoting different high payout partner products. But what is a high payout partner product? Let's jump into the next way to be making money online, which is going to be, let me think. A high payout partner product. Now let's talk about exactly what this entails. Well, we're going to head on over to a website called Digistore24. And for example, let's say I have an Instagram account or a YouTube channel or a TikTok, and the niche of these accounts is going to be finance. Well, within a finance niche, it would only make sense for me to want to promote products that have to do with finance because that's my target audience. And then I'm just using my brother's course as an example because he has a course called To Mastery and Monetization where he talks about all of these different methods on how to be successful with a YouTube channel. So if you have a finance niche online or a making money online niche, you could be promoting his course. And you might be thinking, well, this sounds like affiliate marketing. However, my brother likes to call it a partner product, because with affiliate marketing, you're choosing these products that don't sell for a lot of money, and then you get this commission and you're making almost nothing from the commission. So this is why you want to be promoting products that cost a lot of money, because then your commission is bigger. And then with Digistore24 also, you get a higher commission rather than if you were just promoting some lipstick on Amazon. Let's say you get 10 sales a month with a $500 commission from each sale that you make. There you're already going to be making $5,000 in just 1 month. And this is again something you can do completely from your phone, as Digistore24 also has an app. Just pick something that relates to the niche of your YouTube channel or Instagram account because you're going to want to promote this link. And once your viewers start buying these products from your link, then you get commission. And it's just as easy as that. And honestly, promoting different high payout partner products is going to be one of the laziest ways to be making money online. Now, the next way that we can be making money online is going to be through a digital guide. And to create a digital guide, you are going to need to download 2 apps to your phone. One you might already have, which is going to be the Google Docs app, and the second one is going to be the Gumroad app. And then once you head on over to Gumroad, you're going to search some topics that you're interested in. And I always like to say something that you're interested in because you want to be interested in the work that you're doing, because This will overall motivate you. And within Gumroad, you will see a bunch of different products that relate to these topics that you've searched for. And a guide is essentially just going to be a PDF or a Google Doc that you put together. Let's say you're interested in cooking. Well, then that would be a perfect thing to make a digital guide about. How to create a healthy lifestyle and live life to your fullest potential. But if you simply just head on over to Google and search digital guide examples, there's a bunch of different examples that you can find. And this can be helpful to just kind of paint yourself a picture of what a digital guide may be. And this is going to be one of the easiest and laziest type of digital products that you can sell online. And then places to sell various digital products would include Gumroad, and also you could go the Shopify route. But here you can even sell different ChatGPT prompts, or you can sell different templates, or you could even be selling different scripts for people's YouTube channels. There's just so many things that you could create as a digital product to sell, and most of the time the only thing you're going to need is Gumroad and a Google Doc. Now, I know a lot of you might be thinking, well, some of these ways to be making money don't sound lazy, but in all honesty, it is lazier than having to go into a job and trade your time for money. And who knows, you could even start one of these methods as a side hustle, and then it could also grow into your full-time job. And that is exactly what my brother Matt did when he started his YouTube journey with making money online. Now, if you remember earlier in this video, I said I had some tips and tricks on how to grow a YouTube channel. If you're interested in that, make sure to click on this video right here. It is my brother's video actually, and it's basically going to be a free course, and he can teach you all of the ins and outs on how to create your YouTube channel, what types of niche to create your channel about, how to make your content, and just overall how to monetize your channel and take it to the next level. Make sure to click on it right here. Click on it. Bye!